So I did everything off camera, and yes, this is the final look of my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. So I'm just blending out the concealer. Still patchy, and I still want a blank canvas on my face because the basic look, you could pick whatever color you want, but today I'm gonna pick probably a tan brown and a little eyeshadow. Some more of the pure beige on my lid. Wanted a blank canvas to my face for my eyeshadow, and that's exactly what I got. So in, just get areas that the beauty blender couldn't get. Just make sure it's packed down. And there's no product on this brush, okay, guys? What that I was telling you guys about, I am going to be using this palette, and I got this from Five and Below. Very affordable. I'm using affordable palettes for you guys today. Can't find anything, right? It is just not organized on this counter right now. It's chaos, girl. I'm gonna spray it with my Garnier facial spray. This tan color down here for the transition. Okay? And I'm gonna pat that in like this. And in my videos I mentioned packing. I'm packing that one because this is a Five and Below palette, so the pigment might not be as good as a more expensive palette, but for beginners, this is a good palette for you guys, okay? Packing the color on my crease and somewhat above my crease. This is my crease, look up. That is my crease, okay? And for the other eye, I'm gonna pack this color in because I want to build it up. Packing it to build it up, and then I'm going to blend it out. I'm only using one color for beginners, like you guys, the basic. So, more color, the more eyeshadow choices you choose, if you choose like 2 to 3, the more time it's gonna take. You're not gonna finish in 15 minutes. And then the more blending you'll have to do. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna take this color right here, and out the tan color. Just go above here, just go here, and start blending out. And do circular motions, which helps with blending. You're gonna get like a little fluffy brush. And you're gonna hold your brush at the end, because if you up here, it's gonna be, when you're doing it, it's too harsh. You need to hold your brush down here. And just blend it out. And can you see the difference between, I haven't blended this side, but I blended this side. So you're gonna do the same thing to the other side, so they can match. The more you do makeup, guys, the more you'll learn how to fix errors and mistakes that you create. So for the lid, I am going to use, I'm going to use this one to put on my lid. Can you see the color? I'm going to use this one on my lid. Get the product on the brush, and I'm just going to do it like I do a cut crease. So you see how it went up like a cut crease? So that's how high my eyeshadow will be. Because if I don't do that high, it's going to go up there anyway. For the eye people, you're going to have a little bit more difficult time because you have to get yours up to the point where your crease is. If you don't, And I don't know if it showed it on camera, but if you don't, it will still go up. Once you look up, you're gonna have to build your coverage to get the coverage that you need. I'm gonna go back in and blend this out accordingly. How this one is, it's like everywhere. You kind of want to blend the eyeshadow in with your transition color. Just a little. Just a little. This is my preference. If you like it like that, you can keep it like that. I'm just giving you my advice. Same for the other eye. Just blend it out a little. There's your eyeshadow, guys. I don't think you guys realize how much time it really takes to do those very detailed eyeshadow looks. The foundation, that takes about 10 minutes, if that, depending on how much you put and what contour and whatever you want to put on your face. The eyeshadow, and I said the brows, are the most time that you will spend on your makeup. On my eye, this is optional for you guys. If you don't know how to line, that is going to take practice as well. And I'm not wearing eyelashes. I'm gonna take my mascara. This is a drugstore mascara. Still might be between $5-6, maybe a little less. All right, got my mascara on. Now for my face. You don't have to do this part, but this is just me. I'm gonna add some vitamin C to my face. So that is done, guys. Start doing my foundation. We're gonna use the Cool Tan. I'm not even doing no milk of magnesia. I'm not doing none of that because this is very, very beginner friendly. You still have to prime and moisturize your face though. But I've already added my primer and my moisturizer. And you just see me add my vitamin C. So face. Yes, guys, I'm gonna find it all over my face. My brush. Spray it. I want to use a brush to blend this out instead of a big blender, but I'll probably end up using a beauty blender. That's just me. I'm going to blend it out. That's the first one. But I really need it. Okay. You can achieve any looks with any product if you take the time to learn. Make sure you get in the crevices of your nose. You don't want to move that. You can use makeup for whatever purpose you want it to serve. Like, just because it says concealer, that don't mean you have to use it just for concealer. I'm just going back in areas that I feel like needs to be blended out. I'm gonna use this today to set my makeup in. You can get this from the drugstore, or I think I've seen it at a dollar store. And then my blender, just a little. And such. You have to do this. Like, right now on this side, it's free, it's moving, it's not set, it's shiny. You can see the glistening of it. But once you set it in with the powder, it's gonna stay in place. It should stay in place. And you highlight going downward. I highlight going downward because I like my cheekbones, so I don't need to emphasize on it. from where you contour, you can go straight across or you can go at an angle. I have a long face, so I kind of want mine to go at an angle. But if you don't have like really good cheekbones and you want to just lift up your cheekbones, you can go across. That is my advice. Me personally, I go down. And usually my contour will be here. We're not contouring. This is very simple makeup. 15 minutes. And now I'm taking my bronzer. That out with my setting powder. Do not think you have to use bronzer. Get into it, honey. I'm gonna set it in with my spray, my facial spray. Then I'm gonna take my fan so I can try. Guys, this is pretty much 15 minutes of beauty and glam. I'm gonna add the blush right here. This one. I'm gonna use this palette. Highlighter. This is a palette that you guys should be getting into. A Beige cosmetic highlighting brush. Double it. I'm telling you guys, this highlight palette is like the shit. Like, I'm telling you, I will not be using another product for highlight until this one. Highlighter areas. See the difference? And no, it don't look right. Beige cosmetic fluffy brush. Brushing away. As such. Then another Beige cosmetic fluffy brush. This. Bottom lash line and mascara. I'm gonna go in with a lip liner since I was asked to do something with lips. I start like that, and then I take this and go down like that. And then I go to the other side and I go like that. And then it curls it like that. the final look, guys. Just like that's it. If you guys have not already liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel.